So the entire subject of operational management. I hope previous classes also you might be have an introduction about the subject, and Sir also would have thought about the syllabus and other formalities about the subject. But as well as I would like to go in a different perspective way about this introduction chapter. So what is this operations management subject? Why you need to study? You might have come across in the first semester different domains. Accounting, which is going to be completely new subject for whoever completed BA course or BSc course or BTech courses. BCom students, that's okay, fine. When it comes to the statistics, again, which is going to be new for the what it was learned by BSc students earlier. Principles, management principles and organizational behavior, which is known by BCom students and BA students and BSc, which is going to be as a new subjects. So in the first semester, the full and full syllabus framework, which is going to give you that the brief introduction and outline the basics of the what is the management courses. Now, as a part of that, we are having second semester also another domain as a basic courses like HRM, marketing management, production and operation management. So why you want to study this subject? Because as you know very well, once you complete your MBA course, you will be joining in the company in different designation level. So once you are joining in different designations, some of the students, they might be they are well versed or they are having out of interest. They may join in audio, video, very popularly called as VISCOM section, visual communications, or somebody may go for photography, somebody may go as business development officers, or different designations you are going to be work. If in case you are joining in a company from the beginning as a direct managing director level or chief executive manager level, you must be know about how many departments are there at the organization. For that, management principles and administrative subject will be helpful for you. Because in the MPOB subject, you would have come across what is management, how many types of departments are there, how you need to send information or communication to the people in vertical way or by the horizontal. Vertical means which is just like a top level management, middle level management, lower level management. Horizontal will have HR department, sales and marketing department, operation department. Like that, we are going to have other different kinds of departments. If you are in the top level, you must be know that each and every department, how they are working at the organization, what kind of contribution they are giving for development of the institution. First of all, yeah, please. First of all, you must be know that what is the role and responsibility of the each and every department. As a part of that, one of the important department is called as production and operation management. Now, if you are joined as assistant manager in production department or stores manager in the production department, I would like to give you an example. Like you are an MBA student, or I can feel like I'm an MBA student, why should I join production department? That is not relevant to me. You just have a look on that IPS. Whoever cleared IPS, civils, groups, and they will be serving in Government of India by different departments. because you are well versed and you are well qualified to monitor, to evaluate the administrative work which was done by the particular department. Now you have completed MBA. You must be know that each and every department, how they are working at the organization. You should not say like, I'm zero, I don't know anything about production department. Then definitely production manager will cheat you. So what you're supposed to do, you must know about each and every department, how they are functioning. Nowadays, I'm saying mostly this chief executive officer, CEOs or management director, in that level, most of the people from the background of engineering or else management, MBA, or sometimes they are illiterates also. But the important thing is, you are coming from whatever the stream, whatever the background, you must be know that each and every department, how they are working at the organization. And you must be know that what is the role and responsibility of the each and every department. Now, why exclusively we need to study about production and operation department instead of studying about HR, instead of studying marketing or some other department? Because we must have to think one important thing is company versus or company to customers. Only direct contact having by the production department, by their products. By their products. If the product is good, they will appreciate the company. If the product is bad, definitely they will scold the company. For that, beautifully you can do any advertisement or one-to-one marketing strategy, whatever you followed, one time only they will buy your product. If the product is not good, they won't buy again. So mostly the top level management, what they will do, they will focus only on production department, how they are working. And second important point is, for example, I have 100 rupees. So in this 100 rupees, 60 to 70 rupees, I would like to spend only on to purchase materials. I would like to produce cement. So if I want to produce the cement, what are materials to be required? Gypsum, water, ash. So whatever required, I would like to purchase 60 to 70 rupees on these materials. And of course, rest of 40 to 30 rupees, I'm going to investing on to purchase a machinery to make, assemble all these products to convert as a cement. And I'm selling to the public by giving an advertisement. So this is naturally happened in every business scenario. So there is a huge scope of malpractice, duplication, cheating, damaging of the materials. All these things are, there is a huge scope happening at the particularly this production and operation department. If this is waste, then ultimately your 70 rupees is going to be waste. And rest of 30 rupees you are spending on labor, wages or marketing on all these things. But 30 rupees is important or 70 rupees important? 70 rupees important. So we need to be very, very cautious where you are purchasing material, whether quality material you are purchasing or not. Qualitative machine is working in our department or not. Whether we have qualitative labor, employees are working in our department or not. We must be know and to study that is possible only by a concept of production and operation management subject alone. So very, very importantly, each and every MBA student, they must be know that what is going on at the production department. Most of the management people, what they will do, like production department is mostly deal with machines, materials, or which is going to be completely talking about technical aspects. I'm zero on that. I will just ignore. Then definitely it is a huge loss for the company. Even if you don't know, you need to go sit with the people. How Ratan Tata is doing? He is sitting with the employees, sharing his views, ideas. He is getting the practical what kind of problems you are having at the workstation. That means factory. What kind of problems you are having? Please share with me so that I will be know that my decisions are good or bad. Do you require any latest machinery? I am ready to buy for you, because indirectly you need to be think, if it is a new machinery, if I'm giving to the labor, employee will think management is very concerned about me. That is why they have given a new machinery to me. I'm very happy. But management, what they will think, like if it is a old machinery, this is not working properly. Because of that, employee won't work properly. If it is a new machinery, old machinery means per hour 100 products are producing. New machinery per hour 200 products is we are going to produce. So our production is going to be double. So we need to be think in that way, and we need to project to the employee like we are helping for you. And you know very well about the concept of employee resistance. I can give example like a government employees. Mostly the government offices, whoever the people are working, they are hesitate, resistance to adopt a new technology, or if you done any kind of innovative things in their domain, first they will say like this is not required, or introduced to the next generation, because next 5 years or 10 years I'm going to retire. I don't want to work with this. I don't want to learn new things. Please inform the same thing to the new employee whoever joined. So like that, they will be trying to escalate the issue. So while you are taking the feedback from them and while introducing all these things, then ultimately what will happen? Benefit for the management and as well as to the employee. I can give an example like online banking. 15 years back, the same system. We need to go for the bank, we need to fill all challans or DDs or whatever it is. We need to give it to the cashier or some the session, whoever sitting over there. We need to wait for some time, or we need to stand in queue. We need to take it back money from our account, and he will be update everything in the passbook and his account. The big notes are there. So 20 years back, the system was thinking we need to introduce computerization. By the time employees are resisted, we don't want. So finally what happened? The computers were introduced, and the next level, the mobile apps also has come. Next level, neo banking, Google Pay, Paytm, by your QR code, we are sending the money. Now, computer is a machine which was produced by production department. So everywhere, the production department has taken a vital and important role to take you for the next level. And I have seen that recently during the lockdown period also, of course, still it is going on, through the online. In India, 30 million people, they were doing online transactions by Swiggy or food delivery or booking your cab or doing your banking transactions by mobile app or different transactions. 30 million people they were doing. And they are expecting coming 10 years, which is going to cross more than 100%. That relatively the industries are, they are make ready with their products, and as well as technology related upgradation also they are doing. All these are part of your production department upgradation. But anyway, this is a brief view and introduction about the subject of production and operation management. But anyway, in your subject, which is going to be called as operations management. Operation management is a broader term. Under that, production also will be involved. Now, I would like to start the first slide, which is going to be deal about introduction of the product. So, as you know very well, what is this product? What is the role of product for the present scenario? How it is performing in a greater role? In a layman terms, we all are common people. Now, what is product in your perception, in your point? Any guesses? So, what you will call it as a product? Any guesses from your side? Okay, I can say like mobile is a product, pen is a product, laptop is a product. In my backside, you are seeing that wooden shelf. That is also to be as a product. Shirt is a product. Now, the product which is going to be mentioning very clearly, or many authors, what they mentioned is customer orientation, which is going to be satisfy all my needs in different angles, which is really helpful for to understanding or to start to use about the product, or to start to use about any physical form of thing will be called as a product. Night time, we are sleeping with a cup of or a glass of milk. That is also product. You are sleeping on bed also product. You are watching TV is also product. Remote, that is also product. You are carrying your iPad or laptop or mobile, that is also product. You are sitting on chair also product. So whatever the product which is going to fulfill all my needs, which is going to give comfortable to me, which is completely giving a feasibility to me, or which is going to helpful for to complete my particular task, everything will be called as a product. Now I am teaching you class through the Google Classroom, GCR, and you all are listening the class through mobile and different modes, and the class is important. Now, for fulfillment of the class, we are using different modes of physical products. These products are fulfilling our needs. So this is going to be called as a product. Product is a physical form of thing, and that you can use for any purpose. Now, in different people point of what they will think about the product. Now we'll see the first in the point of yours. Yours in the sense of you and me, all are consumers. We all are customers. We are regularly using different products. So by your point and as well as in my point, what we are thinking about product. Now I have mentioned here combination of or optimal mix of potential utilities. You have given one thing. For example, I'm showing you again the same thing, pen. The pen is the combination of plastic or rubber. Inside there is a fluid, blue color fluid, and there is a needle, nib. So the pen is a combination of the plastic, ink and needle, or which is going to be combination of anything. Now this is going to be fulfill my utilities. If I want to draft a letter to somebody else, this is going to be fulfill my utilities. So being a consumer, what I will feel, the product was fulfilled my requirements, or anything was fulfilled my requirements, then I will be called this as a product. Here I have given a number of example. Soap is a product because with the help of the soap only we are going to clean our body. You might be using this fragrance, scent, or you may use any kind of thing, dresses or mobile chargers or lunch carry bag or notebooks, bike, car, all these are going to be called as a product in our point of, we in the sense of consumer point of. Now next, what is product in the point of production manager? Now this man is working as a production manager in some X company. Okay, let's say example, consider he is a production manager at Tata Motors. He is a production manager of Tata Motors or Ashok Leyland or in some X company. Now in his point, what he is thinking about product? Combination of the various surfaces and processes. Now the production manager will think like product means various surfaces, because he is the person design the product, making the product. So what he will think like, the product is the combination of different surfaces, different departments, different people, they are involved to make it as a product. Simply I'm going to use the mobile, I'm going to buy in market for 10,000 rupees, I'm using, but this mobile was designed by n number of people. Software one person has to prepare, design one person has to prepare, and SIM card slot and accessibility, this is going to be prepared by somebody else. So different category of people, they have contributed their efforts, and finally only we are seeing the product. So production manager point of that, what is product? Different departments, they are involved, and they have involved actively by body and soul and make it as a good product. So this is the view in the point of the production manager. Now somebody, okay, this is the same one. Somebody, another person will be called as financial manager at the company. As you know very well, a number of departments in the organization. One of the important department will be called as accounting and finance department. As you know very well, what is the qualification of the financial manager? He might be qualified MCOM or MBA finance or CA, ICWA or something. He was qualified. So according to his mind, what he will think about the product? Product means mix of various cost elements. Because being a financial manager, I'm giving you amount, I'm sanctioning money for you for the sake of to purchase the material. Because of my sanctioning only, you are purchasing the material, and you are purchasing material and then you are making the product. So what I will think, the product means the mixing of the various cost. Earlier I have given example to you. I would like to manufacture the cement, limestone, gypsum, water, ash. If you want to purchase all these things, you need to get permission from the financial manager, and then he will sanction the money to you to purchase. You need to purchase and you need to manufacture the product. Apart from that, you need any logistics. So you are purchasing material from Hyderabad or Bangalore to, it has to come to Chennai. Again, he need to give approval for import duty, export duty, road transport, or train, whatever it is, the transportation charges, you need to submit all these bills. And all these bills, each and everything which is going to be called as a cost element. Everywhere there is a expenditure. The product means which is going to be combination of the all the expenditures of the financial department. Normally we know very well how the people will decide the prices of the product. Again, I'm going back the same example. I'm showing the pen to you. Now, what is the price of this pen in the market? They will sell for us for 5 rupees. Now, my question is, how they decide the pen price is 5 rupees? Again, what they will do for fluid fulfillment of the one pen, how much of cost? Plastic, how much of cost? So total cost by number of products produced is equal to what is the cost of each and every product, and that is the price of the each and every product. So that is why financial manager was saying like the product is mixing combination of the different cost of the each and every product. Next, another department which is going to be called as, I hope you know about HR department. So before that, I would like to get your general view, like what do you think about HR manager at the company? What he will do? Any guess? You just guess what he will do, HR manager.
Sir, recruiting people, sir.
He will recruit the people. That is also one duty of the HR manager. Very good. Next.
Maintain their accounts, sir.
What kind of accounts?
Like attendance, salary,
Very good.
profits, sir.
Profit.
The that income, sir.
What
For the,
income?
I cannot understand.
No. Income he won't take care. Financial that for that
Sir,
cost and cost to income, everything will be handled by financial manager only.
sir, he will utilize
Sir,
the
they will
human
handle
resource of the
the
company.
Correct. To utilize the human resources at the organization. Very good.
sir,
Sir,
he will
payroll
handle the
management.
problems of the employees, sir.
Correct. Whenever employees are having problem, they will approach the HR manager. He will be redress all the issues. Correct.
Sir, payroll management.
Payroll. I will tell you in a one word. What is the duty of the HR manager is recruitment to settlement of his account. Recruitment to settlement of his account. So I will give the notification to the market. We are required 5 employees in the particular designation. You will apply. I will call for you for interview. You are shortlisted, you are selected, then you are placed in one department. Your salary or your attendance, daily attendance will be monitored by the HR. Monthly your salary, yearly once your increment, bonuses. If you are eligible for PF, EPF, housing facilities, even if you resign your job or you retired your job, settlement of the PF and retirement certificate, bonuses, everything will be handled by the HR manager. The moment you entering into the organization too, as well as once you left from the company, entire human resources, whether you are a labor, whether you are an employee, whoever you are, you need to get salary and all the human resource manager, through that we need to be settled. Okay, this is we know briefly about the HR manager. Now, being a TCS company HR manager or HCL company, you are an HR manager, or one production company like Jindal Steel, you are a HR manager. Now, what you will think or what is product in your perception? So they will think like The product is the combination of the various skills. As you know very well, the five fingers will not be equal. In a company, all the employees will not have same kind of skills. You have given 1 kg material to me to produce a product. I will use this 1 kg material. I will produce one product. Same 1 kg material I have given to another labor. He has been produced three products. Same 1 kg material I have given to some other worker. He produced 1.5 product. Why it is going to be happen for one labor, one product, one labor, 1.5 product, one labor, three products? How it is going to be happen? Because depending on your skills. So HR manager, what he will do, he will observe you. One labor, 1 kg material, three products he produce. So there is no required training for him. He's already good. Maximum he is using the material. Now, who is producing one product, 1.5 product, he will observe where he is doing waste of material, where he is unable to complete the particular task. He will monitoring by the all the elements by in detail, so that this is this is going to be an important part of the HR manager will be monitoring, and based on that he will be giving you a proper training. So once he has understand what kind of training we need to give it to the employee, then optimum utilization of the all the employees at the organization. So according to the point of the HR manager, product means different kinds of labor, different levels of the employees which they are involved and they are manufacturing the product. So he's saying like indirectly different employees they were involved and they are contributing their work by more efficient. Guys, just 2 minutes. Sorry, guys. Small disturbance. Okay. And then I have seen that in the production department where they will be seeing in different way about to the product. Financial department will be having a look at that, what are the perception. When it comes to the personal manager, and they will be thinking like the product which is going to be designed and manufactured by different set of employees. So every employee will have different sort of skills. And I'm telling you an example like we are having 1 kg material and one employee was produced one product, another employee was produced 1.5 product, another employee was produced 3 products. So whereas who produced one product and 1.5 product, whoever produced, now we need to give a proper training for them and we need to take them for they should also manufacturing like a skilled employee 3 products so that material will not be waste over there. So in everywhere there is a demand of the skilled labor. So according to the personal manager point of view, that the product which is a combination of the different employee skills. Okay, there is a definition which was given by Edward Buffer. So according to his point, what it is production. So far we have seen what is product. Now we are going for the next level, that is production. Production as a process by which goods and services are created. By using your continuous manufacturing process, by following your goods and other sort of services, how we are producing